I hereby name Sri Derek O'Brien. Derek O'Brien is hereby named to leave the House immediately.
In a dramatic turn of events, on Thursday, after 5 Congress MPs were suspended, the lower house of the parliament suspended 9 opposition MPs. The suspended MPs include Benny Behanan, VK Srikandan, Mohammad Javed, PR Natarajan, Kanimodi Karunanidhi, K. Subramaniam, SR Pratibhan, S. Venkatesan, and Manikam Tagore. The 5 suspended Congress MPs are Dean Kuriakose, Hebe Eden, Jyothimani, Ramya Haridas, and T.N. Prathapan. They have been barred from participating in any parliamentary activities for the remainder of the winter session, scheduled to conclude on December 22nd. The Lok Sabha suspended the opposition MPs, citing unruly conduct. The Lok Sabha was adjourned for the day amid opposition clambouring over Wednesday's security breach. The disciplinary action follows the suspension of Trinamool Congress MP Derek O'Brien from the Rajya Sabha earlier in the day.
This House, having taken a serious note of the ignoble misconduct of Sri Derek O'Brien, member who has entered the well of the House, as also the inner well, and has been continuously shouting slogans, gesticulating aggressively at the chair, thereby disrupting proceedings of the House in utter disregard to the authority of the chair, and having been named by the chair, resolves that the above mentioned member, Sri Derek O'Brien, be suspended.
O'Brien had fervently demanded a discussion on the security lapse that took place on the preceding day when 2 individuals breached security protocols and entered Lok Sabha chamber, triggering a disruption with the release of yellow smoke from canisters. The incident has thrust parliamentary security into the spotlight, prompting heightened scrutiny and calls for the resignation of Union Home Minister Amit Shah from opposition members. As the chaos unfolded, the Lok Sabha was adjourned until 3 p.m. with opposition MPs persisting in their protest over the security breach. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi, who moved the motion to suspend the Congress MPs, addressed the House, emphasizing the importance of a non-political approach to strengthening security protocols.
That the unfortunate incident which occurred yesterday was a serious incident concerning the safety and the security of honorable members of Parliament. We have to appreciate that. Honorable Speaker promptly held the meeting with all the floor leaders and listened to their suggestions for the further strengthening of the security in the Parliament premises. Some of these suggestions given have already been implemented.
In response to the security breach, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla promptly ordered a high-level inquiry into the incident.
ये घटना गंभीर भी चिंता है, इसलिए हम इस घटना की उच्च स्तरीय जांच करा रहे हैं। जांच के उपरांत इसके जो निष्कर्ष निकलेंगे उसके अनुरूप अपनी कार्रवाई भी सुनिश्चित करेंगे।
The Ministry of Home Affairs or MHA has in turn initiated a probe into the parliamentary security breach following a request from the Lok Sabha Secretariat. The inquiry committee, headed by Central Reserve Police Force or CRPF Director General Anish Dayal Singh, alongside members from other security agencies and experts, will investigate the security lapse and recommend necessary actions, according to an MHA spokesperson. Simultaneously, 8 security personnel have been suspended by the Lok Sabha Secretariat for their alleged lapses in ensuring the security of the Parliament. As the Parliament grapples with the aftermath of this security breach, questions about the robustness of parliamentary security measures linger, prompting a collective call for a thorough review and strengthening of the existing protocols.